Space is vast and full of mysteries. Many of them are yet to be solved, even though science has moved really far. Let's sum up what is known at this point. What is space? Space is a near-perfect vacuum without any air. It is not empty, it contains many forms of radiation, as well as particles of gas, dust, and other matter floating around the void. The words space and universe are often used interchangeably. However, space in the narrow sense refers to the void between the celestial bodies, while the universe includes both the celestial bodies and the space between them. From the Earth, we can observe planets, stars, and galaxies that are within 46.5 billion light-years in any direction from our planet. This region of space is called the observable universe. The estimated age of the universe is from 11.4 billion to 13.8 billion years. What is outer space? From our earthbound perspective, outer space is everything that lies outside the boundary separating the Earth from space. There are different definitions of where exactly outer space begins. The most widely used boundary is Kármán's line, which sits 100 kilometers above mean sea level. Starting from this mark, the air becomes too thin for regular aircraft, relying on lift, to fly. Space regions. Outer space can be divided into several regions. They are determined by magnetic fields and winds that dominate within them. Geospace is the region of outer space near the Earth. It lies between the Earth's upper atmosphere and the outermost reaches of the Earth's magnetic field. Interplanetary space is the outer space within the solar system. It is defined by the solar wind, which forms a heliosphere, a giant bubble, around the Sun and its planets. At heliopause, the outer edge of the heliosphere, it passes over into interstellar space. Interstellar space is the physical space between the star systems in a galaxy. It is filled with the interstellar medium, ISM, which consists of gas and dust. Intergalactic space is the physical space between galaxies. It is very close to a total vacuum, as it's generally free of dust and debris. What is space made of? Scientists think the universe consists of three types of substances: normal matter, dark matter, and dark energy. Normal matter. Normal matter, also called ordinary or baryonic, consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons that make up every visible object around. Everything that we can see, stars, planets, trees, animals, and human beings, is made of normal matter. The proportion of normal matter in the universe is surprisingly small, less than 5%. Dark matter. Dark matter neither emits nor absorbs light and energy and thus is completely invisible. Scientists assume it is composed of non-baryonic matter, such as WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, neutralino, and neutrino. Though dark matter can't be observed directly, astronomers assume it exists because of its gravitational effect on normal matter. For instance, the examination of spiral galaxies has shown that they contain more mass than could be seen. Without dark matter, the galaxies would just fly apart, for the gravitational force of the normal matter alone is not enough to pull together all the particles. Dark matter supposedly makes up about 27% of the universe. Dark energy. Dark energy is a hypothetical form of energy that repels gravity. It pulls cosmic objects apart while gravity draws them close together. The concept of dark energy has been proposed by scientists to explain why the universe is not just expanding but is doing so at an increasing rate. For now, scientists have not defined its nature and origin. Here, dark rather means unknown than literally dark, as is the case with dark matter. Dark energy is estimated to account for roughly 68% of the universe. Okay. Now you know about space, outer space, and what space made of. Let's see top 5 exotic space objects. The coldest object in space. Boomerang Nebula. The coldest place found in the universe so far is the Boomerang Nebula. It's located some 5,000 light-years away from the Earth in the constellation Centaurus. The temperature of its deep interior is minus 272 degrees Celsius, 1 degree away from absolute zero. Number 2. The hottest place in space. Quasar 3C 273. Quasar 3C 273 in the constellation Virgo is one of the hottest regions in space. The temperature here varies from 20 to 40 trillion degrees Celsius. 3C 273 is also the first quasar to be ever found and the brightest quasar as seen from the Earth. Its apparent magnitude is 12.9. Number 3. The oldest star in space. The star Methuselah. Methuselah, HD 140283, IP 76976, is 16 billion years old, which makes it the oldest star in space somehow, even older than the universe. Scientists are still figuring out how this is possible. The star is located in the constellation Libra and can be observed with binoculars. Its apparent magnitude is 7.2. Number 4. The biggest thing in space. Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, or simply the Great Wall, is the largest known structure in the observable universe. It is 10 billion light-years across and could contain billions of galaxies. It lies about 10 billion light-years away in the direction of the Hercules and Corona Borealis constellation.